Africa, the cradle of civilization, holds countless secrets buried beneath its sands and inscribed in its legends. From inexplicable ancient structures to advanced astronomical knowledge, the evidence points to something extraordinary. Could these mysteries hint at contact with beings from beyond the stars? Today, we explore 10 African wonders that challenge everything we know about history and science. The Great Zimbabwe Ruins, a cosmic meeting point? The Great Zimbabwe Ruins, an architectural masterpiece, consist of massive granite stones carefully stacked without mortar. The walls, which soar up to 36 feet high, boggle the mind. Historians claim it was a center for trade, but local legends tell of mysterious visitors from the skies. Why do these stories persist? Some researchers speculate that the ruins served as a celestial meeting point, a location for communication with extraterrestrial beings. The alignment of the structures with certain star systems strengthens this theory. Could the Great Zimbabwe Ruins hold the key to understanding our place in the cosmos? The Dogon Tribe, guardians of astronomical secrets. The Dogon people of Mali possess advanced knowledge of the Sirius star system, including the invisible Sirius B, discovered by modern telescopes only in 1970. Their legends speak of the Namo, amphibious beings who came from the stars and shared cosmic knowledge with their ancestors. How did an ancient tribe, with no telescopes or modern tools, know so much about the stars? Could the Namo represent real extraterrestrial beings who visited Earth? The Dogon story is one of the most compelling pieces of evidence supporting the ancient alien theory. The Pyramids of Giza, a blueprint from the stars? The Pyramids of Giza stand as one of the most iconic achievements of ancient Egypt, but their purpose remains shrouded in mystery. Their alignment with Orion's belt suggests a cosmic connection. How did the Egyptians, with limited technology, move and position millions of massive stones with such precision? Some theorists propose that extraterrestrial beings shared advanced engineering techniques or even participated in their construction. Were the pyramids not just tombs but a way to connect with the stars? The Nomoli figurines, carvings of the unknown. Discovered in Sierra Leone, the Nomoli figurines have sparked debates for decades. These small, stone carvings depict beings that look neither entirely human nor entirely animal. Some resemble humanoid figures with exaggerated heads and unusual proportions, bearing a striking resemblance to modern depictions of aliens. Could these figurines be evidence of ancient encounters, or were they artistic representations of beings that the carvers couldn't fully comprehend? The African stone circles, prehistoric observatories. Across West Africa, particularly in Senegal and Gambia, lie thousands of stone circles. Researchers suggest they may have served as prehistoric observatories, tracking celestial movements with astounding accuracy. But who taught these ancient cultures such advanced astronomy? Could these circles have been designed as landing sites or communication tools for extraterrestrial visitors? The precision and purpose of these circles remain a mystery, leaving us to wonder if they were built with the help of otherworldly knowledge. The land of Punt, a heavenly connection? The ancient Egyptians revered the land of Punt, describing it as the land of the gods. Expeditions to Punt brought back rare goods like incense, gold, and exotic animals, but its exact location remains unknown. Could this mysterious land have been more than a trading partner? Some theorists suggest that Punt may have been a gateway to another realm or even a place visited by extraterrestrial beings. Could these gods have been visitors from the stars? The Leidenberg heads, alien visitors or ancient art. Unearthed in South Africa, the Leidenberg heads are clay masks that date back to 500 AD. Their designs are strikingly unique, featuring elongated shapes and exaggerated features. Could these masks depict beings that the creators actually encountered? Some researchers believe these heads are evidence of ancient contact with extraterrestrials, immortalized in art for future generations to uncover. The giant rock structures of Nabta Playa. Deep in the Sahara Desert lies Nabta Playa, one of the oldest known astronomical sites on Earth. Its stone circles and alignments suggest an advanced understanding of the stars, predating Stonehenge by thousands of years. Were these stones placed by human hands alone, or did extraterrestrial visitors share knowledge that humanity wasn't yet ready to comprehend? The lost city of Kilwa Kisiwani, a portal to the unknown? Kilwa Kisiwani was a thriving trade hub off the coast of Tanzania, but its history is steeped in mystery. Local legends tell of strange visitors arriving by sea and sky, bringing with them advanced technologies. Were these visitors simply explorers from distant lands, Or could they have been something much more extraordinary? The ancient paintings of Tassili Eniger, Messages from the Sky? In the remote Sahara region of Tassili Eniger, ancient rock art dating back 12,000 years depicts beings with helmets and strange tools. Were these early humans simply imagining these figures, or were they documenting real encounters with beings from another world? These paintings remain one of the most compelling visual pieces of evidence in the ancient alien debate. Africa's ancient cultures hold secrets that defy explanation. From cosmic alignments to advanced knowledge, the evidence suggests there's more to these civilizations than meets the eye. Could these achievements be proof of extraterrestrial contact, or are they a testament to human ingenuity? The truth remains out there, waiting to be discovered. Do these ancient wonders prove contact with alien civilizations, or are they evidence of human brilliance? Share your theories in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on at Crypto-Stoic Insights for more deep dives into the mysteries of our past. Join the conversation and let us know your thoughts. Have a mystery you'd like us to explore next? Comment below, and let's uncover the secrets of the past together.